Hi, I'm Mike Kemper, the Environmental Health and Safety Specialist for Plant 39B here in Mishawaka Aftermarket. Part of the aftermarket program that we are now launching is portable power stations. These are lithium-ion battery powered power stations that are hazardous if they're not handled properly or stored correctly. We have done that. We have made sure that we've done everything correctly. But the problem is notifying Mishawaka Fire as to the location of the building where these are being stored. We have them in the far end of the building on an outside wall, but again, how do we notify Mishawaka Fire as to where they are at in the building from the outside? Again, how do you let Mishawaka Fire know where those batteries are from the outside of the building? Again, we're on the north side of the building. Each one of these labels represents a rack location where those lithium-ion battery power packs are being stored. This here is the electrical panel located between the racks. So if Mishawaka Fire had to come through the wall to get to the lithiums to put out a fire, we don't want them going through here because of the electrical panel. But each one of these labels that you see represents where they are in the racks. So again, if they had to come through here, we also trained them, all 100 firefighters, as to here they are, here's where they are in the building from the outside.